Your 20s are the foundation of your entire life. Most people waste this critical decade. Instead of building up their future, they're doing all of the wrong things that lead them nowhere. And then they wake up 10 to 20 years down the line and they wonder what the hell happened. In this video, I'm going to share with you 40 brutal truths I wish someone had slapped me with when I was about to turn 20. Because they would have saved me a decade of mistakes. Now, since you've probably never seen me before, I'm Fred, and I went from making $0 per month as a lower middle class dude to making over $1,200 per day with my online business using a simple 4-step process. Now, I've put together a free video training that shows you exactly everything I did step by step so you can copy me. The link is in the description. And to thank you, when we get to 30,000 subs, I'll give away $2,000. Watch the video until the end, subscribe, and share with a friend to win. So let's start with money truths. Truth number 1. Making money is easy. Staying broke is a choice. I know some people are going to hate me for saying that, but we live in the most opportunity-rich time in human history. If you're broke, it's because you're choosing comfort over growth. Truth number 2. Hard work alone doesn't make you rich. Leverage does. Working 80 hours a week at minimum wage keeps you poor. 1 hour of focused work with the right leverage can make you thousands. Truth number 3. You don't get paid for your time. You get paid for your value. The market doesn't care how long something took you. It cares about the problem you solve and how well you solve it. Truth number 4. A high income solves more problems than budgeting ever will. You can only cut expenses so much, but your income potential is unlimited. Focus on earning more, not spending less. Truth number 5. The 9 to 5 is designed to keep you just comfortable enough to never leave. It's a trap. Your job pays you just enough to survive, but not enough to build real wealth. Truth number 6. Saving money won't make you rich. Investing in skills will. Saving 10% of a small income keeps you poor. Investing in learning high-income skills can multiply your earnings by 10, even by 100. Truth number 7. Passive income isn't passive at the start. You work first, then it pays you later. Building passive income streams takes intense front-loaded work. Truth number 8. College won't make you rich, but the right high-income skill will. 4 years of student debt for a job that pays $50,000 a year, or 6 months of focused skill building for $100,000 a year. You choose. Truth number 9. The stock market is not a wealth-building strategy unless you're already rich. 6% returns on a small investment won't change your life. Building a business with at least 50% margins will. Truth number 10. Taxes punish employees, but reward business owners and investors. Employees pay the highest tax rates. Business owners can write off expenses. Investors pay lower capital gains rates. The system is designed this way. Truth number 11. Debt is bad only if you use it wrong. Rich people use debt to get richer. Consumer debt for depreciating assets keeps you poor. Investment debt for appreciating assets builds wealth. Truth number 12. Your network matters more than your resume. Who you know beats what you know every time. Your network is your net worth. Truth number 13. If you're selling time for money, you'll never scale your income. There are only 24 hours in a day. Instead, sell products, services, or systems. Truth number 14. Most business advice is outdated. The internet changed everything. Today's opportunities didn't exist 10 years ago. Stop listening to old rules. Truth number 15. Making money online is real, but most people do it the wrong way. They follow trends instead of focusing on fundamentals. They want quick wins instead of building assets. Truth number 16. Dropshipping, print on demand, and Amazon FBA are not the golden mines people think. They're saturated, competitive, and low margin. Most people lose money trying them. Truth number 17. Coaching, consulting, and selling knowledge have way higher profit margins. Turn what you know into digital products and services. Margins can be 80 to 95%. Truth number 18. No one is coming to save you. Learn how to make money yourself. Not your parents, not the government, not some guru. Your financial future is 100% on you. Truth number 19. The fastest way to get rich is building a business, not investing. Investing preserves and grows wealth. Business creates wealth. Truth number 20. If you're afraid to sell, you will always struggle financially. Learn to sell, or you will always be at the mercy of somebody who can. Now let's go for some brutal life truths. Truth number 21. People don't care about your excuses. Only results matter. The world rewards output, not intentions. You deliver or you are forgotten. Truth number 22. Nobody is thinking about you as much as you think they are. So that embarrassing thing you did, everyone else forgot about it 5 minutes later. Truth number 23. Confidence comes from competence, not fake affirmations. Get good at something valuable. Real confidence follows automatically. Truth number 24. Success is boring. It's doing the same thing over and over. It's showing up when you don't feel like it. It's consistency when motivation fades. Truth number 25. Most of your old friends won't support you when you start winning. They will question your choices, doubt your path, and try to pull you back down. Let them go. Truth number 26. Your 20s should be about building, not partying. While others waste weekends, build skills, connections, and assets. They will party in their 20s and work forever. You will work in your 20s and have options forever. Truth number 27. Quitting when it gets hard guarantees failure. Winners push through. The moment you want to quit is often the right before the breakthrough. Persistence always beats talent. Truth number 28. There's no such thing as too late. You just have to start. The best time to start was 10 years ago. The second best time is right now. Truth number 29. Most self-improvement advice is just delayed procrastination. Reading another book won't change your life, but taking action will. Truth number 30. If you never take risks, you will work for someone who did. Every successful person took calculated risks. Get uncomfortable being uncomfortable. Truth number 31. You can't afford to have a loser mindset. Your thoughts become your reality. Guard your mindset like your life depends on it, because it does. Moving on to truth number 32. Most of what you worry about is not going to matter in 5 years. Focus on what builds your future and not what feeds your anxiety. Truth number 33. Your environment dictates your success. Change it if you need to. You become the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with, so choose wisely. Truth number 34. Learning to say no will get you further than saying yes to everything. Focus beats variety. Saying no to good opportunities lets you say yes to great ones. Truth number 35. If you're still broke at 30, it's because you wasted your 20s. Your 20s are for building. Your 30s are for scaling. Your 40s are for harvesting. Truth number 36. You don't need motivation. You need discipline. Motivation is fleeting. Discipline shows up every day, regardless of how you feel. Now let's talk about some relationship truths. Truth number 37. Your partner can either slow you down or push you forward, so choose them wisely. The right partner multiplies your success. The wrong one, however, divides it. Truth number 38. Most people don't want you to succeed because it reminds them of their failures, of their lack of commitment. Their criticism is about their insecurity, not your ability. Truth number 39. The wrong relationship will destroy your focus and delay your success. So don't let temporary pleasure cost you permanent progress. Truth number 40. If you have to convince someone of your value, they're not the right person. The right people recognize your worth without you having to prove it. And here's the truth about these rules. They're completely useless if you just nod and agree. They only work if you act on them. Your 20s are the compound interest decade of your life. Small actions now create massive results later. But you have to start. You have to be willing to be uncomfortable now to have an incredible future later. Most people won't do it. They will choose comfort over growth, safety over opportunity, the known over the unknown. But you're not most people. At least, you don't have to be. The cost of these lessons for me was years of struggle. The benefit for you is that you can learn them in under 15 minutes. The question is, what will you do with them? Will you nod, agree, and then change nothing? Or will you let these truths become the foundation of a life most people only dream about? As always, the choice is yours. But remember this, 10 years from now, you'll either be grateful you started today or wishing you had. So what's it gonna be? Now, like I said, at the beginning of this video, I've put together a free video training that shows you step by step how I make over 1K a day, and I'm giving away all the secrets. And if you're serious about making more money, right now, I'm also offering free strategy calls where together, we'll come up with a game plan for you to get to $10,000 per month as quickly as possible. But move quickly, Because our limited spots fill up extremely fast. We literally get hundreds of applications a month and we can't accept everyone. The link will be in the bio. With that being said, I will see you on the other side.